Understanding the P0300 code, causes and solutions. The P0300 code is a diagnostic trouble code, DTC, that signals a misfire in multiple cylinders of an engine. This can be alarming for car owners, but understanding the causes and solutions can help address the issue effectively. What is a cylinder misfire? A cylinder misfire occurs when the fuel in one or more of an engine's cylinders fails to ignite properly. This can result in a loss of power, rough running, and increased emissions. Common causes of P0300 code. Faulty spark plugs. Spark plugs are essential for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the cylinders. Over time, they can wear out or become fouled by oil, carbon deposits, or fuel. Solution: replace the spark plugs. Check the manufacturer's recommended interval for replacement and inspect them regularly. Ignition coil issues. The ignition coil converts the battery's voltage into the high voltage needed to create a spark. If an ignition coil is failing, it can cause a weak or no spark. Solution: test the ignition coils using an ohm meter. Replace any faulty coils to ensure proper spark generation. Fuel system problems. An inadequate fuel supply can result from clogged fuel injectors, a failing fuel pump, or a dirty fuel filter. Solution: clean the fuel injectors or replace them if necessary. Ensure the fuel filter is clean, and check the fuel pump's pressure. Air intake issues. The engine requires a precise air-to-fuel ratio for efficient combustion. A dirty air filter, vacuum leaks, or a malfunctioning mass airflow sensor, MAF, can disrupt this ratio. Solution: replace the air filter if it's dirty. Inspect the vacuum lines for leaks and replace any damaged hoses. Clean or replace the MAF sensor. Exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, system problems. The EGR system recirculates a portion of the exhaust gases back into the engine cylinders. If the EGR valve is clogged or malfunctioning, it can cause misfires. Solution: clean or replace the EGR valve. Ensure that the passages are clear and the valve operates correctly. Engine mechanical issues. Problems like low compression, worn timing belts, or broken timing chains can lead to misfires. Solution: perform a compression test to check for low compression. Replace worn timing belts or chains as needed. Steps to diagnose and fix P0300 code. Read the code. Use an OBD2 scanner to read the P0300 code and any related codes that can give more specific clues about the misfire.
Inspect the spark plugs. Remove and examine the spark plugs. Replace them if they show signs of wear, fouling, or damage. Check the ignition system. Test the ignition coils and wires. Replace any that are faulty. Evaluate the fuel system. Check the fuel pressure to ensure the fuel pump is working correctly. Clean or replace the fuel injectors if necessary. Examine the air intake. Inspect and replace the air filter if it's dirty. Check for vacuum leaks and ensure the MAF sensor is clean and functional. Check the EGR system. Inspect the EGR valve and clean or replace it if it's clogged or malfunctioning. Perform a compression test. If all other systems check out, perform a compression test to ensure the engine's internal components are in good condition. Preventing future misfires. Regular maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule for replacing spark plugs, air filters, and fuel filters. Quality fuel. Use high-quality fuel to prevent deposits that can clog injectors. Timely repairs. Address any engine issues promptly to prevent further damage. By understanding the causes of the P0300 code and following these diagnostic and repair steps, you can keep your engine running smoothly and avoid the frustration of random or multiple cylinder misfires. Thanks for tuning in to Auto Hub, where we turn every car problem into a simple solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Drop your comments and questions below. We love hearing from our Auto Hub community. Until next time, keep those engines running smoothly and drive safe. See you in the next video.